Hello and welcome to the 5th annual WCI Film Festival and Lecture Series event, Monsters at the Movies. I'm Ray Muhlstock, a lecturer in the University at Albany Program in Writing and Critical Inquiry and the chair of the Film Festival. I would like to thank the University at Albany Program in Writing and Critical Inquiry, the Vice Provost and Dean of Undergraduate Education, and the U Albany Libraries for making this year's virtual event possible. And thank you to Joe Meyer for making this fantastic YouTube channel so we can continue to offer the public humanities programming you are accustomed to. If you have joined us for festivals past, this year's might look a little different. We have a mix of pre-recorded and live events, links to which can be found on the YouTube channel around you. But no matter the difference, we offer the same quality, intriguing introductions, fascinating films, and lively discussions that we do every year. As always, we invite and encourage participation from all of our audience members as we celebrate this year's theme, Monsters. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, wrote horror writer H.P. Lovecraft, whose own fictions were fueled by his fears and the personal and social anxieties of the early 20th century. In Lovecraft's writing, and in many of our fantasies, films, and fictions before and since, monsters confirm these enduring terrors. They conjure up feelings of horror and dread, images of the abject and the damned. They reveal to us our individual and cultural anxieties, and they give us something to slay when all other hope seems lost. And they do it all through the safe distance of the movie screen. This year's films include selections from cinema's influential heyday of the monster, which sets standards and tropes still in the minds of filmmakers and moviegoers literally a century later. Mid-century fright fests that terrify and thrill audiences to this day, and contemporary offerings by one of the most innovative names in current horror. Through the trajectory of these films and the introductions and open discussions that will accompany them, the power of the movie monster to encapsulate, communicate, and represent the world as it is felt and imagined inspires us to think more deeply about what monsters and heroes might best represent our time, our dreams, and our terrors. Introductions and films are pre-recorded. Links have been provided on our YouTube channel where we could, and all films are easily accessible through various streaming services and websites where we could not. Each film will have a live Zoom discussion, which you can register for at the links posted below in the comments section of this video. Please join us Thursday, October 15th at 6 p.m. for a live discussion of John S. Robinson's 1920 silent classic, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, led by Albany area author and humanities New York public scholar, Giacomo Calabria. On Friday, October 16th at 6 p.m. for a live discussion of George A. Romero's game-changing 1968 Night of the Living Dead with U Albany's Dr. Rick Barney. On Saturday, October 17th at 6 p.m. for our live keynote discussion of the films of Jordan Peele, featuring Acting with Aaron's founder and director, Aaron Moore. And on Sunday, October 18th at 6 p.m. for a live discussion of Todd Browning's iconic 1931 hit, Dracula, with U Albany's Dr. Mary Valentis. Again, you can find those Zoom links in the comment section below. Thank you from all of us for coming out to support the humanities at this and really any time. Let these films remind us of the importance of the arts, of collaboration, and of coming together as a community, even when we have to stay a safe distance apart. Enjoy the show.